Hello everyone. Today we learn about wind displacement law. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Must have seen an iron rod. When we start hitting rod, first its color is red, then orange, then yellow. On further hitting the rod, its color become blue and white. From this experiment, it is clear that what color of an object will be visible to us, that is the wavelength of which the object will emit. Radiation is depends on the temperature of that object. Let us consider the radiation curve of a black body. This is the radiation curve of a black body whose temperature is 4000 Kelvin. This curve is between, that is radiation energy per unit area per unit time of the black body, and the wavelength. If you look at this curve carefully, it is not homogeneous. At this temperature, the radiation of the longer wavelength is very low. As we come to the shorter wavelength, then there are more radiation radiates of this wavelength. This is the wavelength of which maximum energy radiates. This wavelength denoted with lambda m. This is called as the peak wavelength or dominating wavelength. Even through the black bodies emitting radiation of all wavelengths, since lambda m is dominating, therefore at this temperature we see the black body corresponding color of lambda m, which is red color. Now if the temperature of a black body increase to 5000 Kelvin and draw the radiation curve, then this curve is also similar to previous. The only difference is the increasing the temperature, the dominating wavelength is displayed toward the left side, that is toward the shorter wavelength. Here the curve has displayed in both horizontal and vertical direction. In this video we will focus only on horizontal displacement. At this temperature the corresponding color of the dominating wavelength is green, hence the black body is seen green in color. Now if the temperature is increased further 7000 Kelvin in the radiation curve, the dominating wavelength displays more toward the shorter wavelength. Due to this, the color of black body changed to blue. William Wien explained this phenomena as an extension of classical mechanics. That is, the temperature of black body increases, the dominating wavelength of radiation displays toward the shorter wavelength. This is called the Wien's displacement law. The dominating wavelength lambda m of the radiation radiated from the black body inversely proportional to temperature of the black body. When then remove proportionality constant, then lambda m equals to b by t, where b is proportionality constant and also known as Wien's constant. Its numerical value 2898 into 10 to the 6. Since unit of wavelength and unit of temperature is Kelvin, therefore unit of Wien's constant is meter Kelvin. Since the temperature of sun is 5778 Kelvin and it comes the yellow-green portion of the spectrum, the same Orion constellation Betelgeuse, which is red color star, its temperature is 3300 Kelvin. Rigel is a blue, has temperature of 12100 Kelvin. Therefore, it can be said that the temperature of the blue star is higher than the red star. Why means displacement law fails to explain black body radiation. Actually, Wien's law is very good explaining at the shorter wavelength of the radiation curve, but at the longer wavelength this law fails to explain this curve. According to Wien's law, the dominating wavelength lambda maximum proportional to temperature of the black body. So as the temperature decreases, lambda m displays toward the longer wavelength, and at t equals to 0 Kelvin, lambda m becomes infinite, means at any temperature we have dominating wavelength. While this is not the case in the black body radiation curve, at the high temperature radiation curve follows this rule, but the low temperature at the behavior radiation curve changes, which cannot be explained by this law. With the help of classical mechanics, Rayleigh and Gies also tried to explain the black body radiations curve, but this law also failed.